channel We Got the Code. Today we will cover the topic how to install Python and how to start working on PyCharm. So let's get started. Let's move to the original website of Python. You can see python.org. So before installing the Python, first we will discuss why Python is an important language. Python is basically a simple and easy to learn language for the beginners. It makes the complex tasks easier as compared to other languages like C, C++, or Java. Because of its easy syntax, it is the most popular language in the current era. So these are the few benefits, or you can say the facts of the Python. So let's download it. You can download the latest version of Python from this download for Windows. So it's downloading. Let's wait for it. After the downloading complete, we'll move to the installation process. So here is the .exe file of the Python that we have downloaded from the Python website. So let's install it. Click on the file. We don't need any customized installation. Just check this and then install it. So it will take time, few seconds to install. After completing the installation, let's see what will happen. So yes, the setup was successful. We have successfully installed Python 3.12. So let's close it and move to the next part. Have to install PyCharm. After successfully installing the Python 3.12, the latest one from the website. So for installation of the PyCharm, let's type PyCharm and PyCharm is developed by the JetBrains. So you can visit this www.jetbrains.com/PyCharm. So here we can install the free software from the PyCharm. Why we are installing PyCharm? Because it is the easiest IDE for the beginners. We can work on it easily. It has multiple features and it also provides a professional development features, which we have to pay for it, but for initial and for beginner level we can install the community package. So we can move to download. And there are two packages, PyCharm Professional. This is the paid one, but we don't install this. We'll install PyCharm Community Edition. So press this download button. So it's downloading. It just start downloading the PyCharm Community package. Its exe file is downloading. So after successfully downloading it, it will definitely takes time. Here is the PyCharm Community Edition. So let's start installing it. Press the next button. You can change the destination folder if you want, but I recommend not to change it. So use the default one. It stores all the files inside the C drive. Press the next. Select this PyCharm Community Edition to create a desktop icon and then press next, and now install it. It will definitely takes time, so let's wait for it. So we have completed the PyCharm Community Edition setup. Let's check this checkbox to run the PyCharm Community and click finish. So PyCharm is basically an IDE. IDE is an integrated development environment where programmers write the code and run the scripts. Usually in PyCharm we write Python codes and run on it and test our programs. We can develop small projects. PyCharm Community Edition environment. So in the next video we will explore it, how we write code on it, how we run it with the few examples, or you can also explore by yourself. So let's stay tuned and wait for the next video. Thanks for watching.